Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where mouse cursor is moving in the opposite direction on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the mouse drivers. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now expand the mice and other pointing devices drivers. Right click on the first one, update driver, and similarly update all the mouse drivers. Mouse drivers for each and every mouse. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services, click on Disable All, Apply, and then on OK, and then restart. The last solution is a malware scan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run window. Type the command MRT and hit Enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next, and let it go through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.